Did you create a WordPress website? Or is your current website not performing as expected, such as generating the two C's? I will talk more about the two C's later, but listen up and make sure you watch until the end. As you know, there are millions of different kinds of websites. Some are very expensive and some are inexpensive. Regardless of whether your WordPress website is cheap or expensive, you need eyeballs on it. Not just visitors, but visitors that are interested in your products and/or your services. One of the top problems in the internet world is getting targeted traffic. While this video is going to be short, it's not about traffic. It is about the next big problem related to WordPress website owners and just website owners in general. That is the big C word. Cash. Yeah, I mean cash. Nobody buys a website or gets a website created for just having a website. They want cash at the end of the day, whether it's immediate cash or long-term cash. Yeah, you're right. But before you get to that C word, you need the other C word. And that C word I'm talking about is conversions. Yes, conversions. Now, some people think conversions are just, buying a particular product. And yes, that is a form of conversion. But for this particular presentation, we're going to be talking about getting opt-ins and or subscribers. And that is one of the main conversions that marketers need to focus on. So why most websites don't convert and thereby create the two C's. Website owners think that graphics alone dictate whether a person buys or they don't buy. And that can't be farther from the truth. They think just because it may be expensive, it should create a ton of cash when people come or visit the website. And that's a myth as well, because people go to your website for a particular reason. Maybe they've seen an ad of yours or some type of marketing that you've done, or somebody referred them to the website. So you need to actually solve a problem or provide a particular service, when that person comes. And the next thing is they are so congested with information and buttons, therefore people can't easily navigate. You see where in a lot of these websites they have so many different buttons and click here, so many different products, click here, and it's not. And the last point is it's not simple. So when you have a particular website, you don't want to send them to your home page. A home page is really a browsing mechanism, and you want the conversion. So it's not easy, but let's get into where you should start getting conversions. A landing page that has copy that converts. So that means that your ad or your marketing, whatever your marketing is that you use to gain or grasp the particular attention of the visitor, it needs to line up with the copy that's on the website. The next thing is suitable for any device layout. In today's society, you have so many different um, particular devices that people can consume information off of. You want to make sure that your website is conducive regardless of whether a person is on mobile, a laptop, or desktop, or tablet, whatever the case may be. You want to make sure that it's conducive for that particular visitor. Next thing is you want to make sure your page is easily to create. You don't need to hire somebody to create this page, edit this page, and it's easy to navigate when somebody visited. So in the production phase, you don't need to hire somebody to create it. Then when you want to change a graphic, you need to hire somebody to change the graphic. When you want to edit the words, you don't need to hire somebody to edit the words on the page. That usually comes with your more expensive websites. But even in this particular case, um, you want to make sure that you're able to edit things when you want it. If something is not a word is misspelled, you want to be able to do that without hiring somebody. Also, uh, you're able to create leads for you on autopilot, and that's one of the features um, that I don't see a lot of websites or landing pages uh, consume, because in today's society, the actual the standard is you have an ad in Google AdWords and you drive them to a landing page, but if that person converts, you have no way of multiplying that particular conversion at that same ad spend. So if I spend $5 to get somebody to $5 for a click, and they visit the website, they convert, I have no way of multiplying that particular $5 on that conversion to get another subscriber or another buyer or another lead. So most of the times it's one for one. But when you see this plugin, it'll be able to create this system for you on autopilot. So those are some of the reasons why this plugin was created, to give you some of these benefits and make your conversions go to the next level. So if you want more subscribers for less money and giving you the ability to engage socially with your potential market at a fraction of your competitors' cost, so you need to grab this plugin, and when you grab it, you'll get a bonus report that will enhance your chances of going viral. What I was mentioning a little bit earlier